Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The Democracy Day protest in Edo State started from the popular Obavurame Square in Benin City. The protesters expressed displeasures over the current insecurity and the poor living standard of the people.
Enough is enough. No good roads, no hospital. Against the state of the nation, against insecurity in Nigeria, against killings, against poverty, against unemployment, against dictatorship. I will tell you categorically that today what we are practicing is not democracy.
This is to show that we are displeased, we are tired, and we are not scared. We would rather be a rebel than a slave, a rebel against insecurity and injustice.
Better roads were built during the military regime, but to enjoy that very dividends which individuals needed to enjoy was the advocacy for democracy. Today as we speak, freedom of speech is there, but freedom after speech is no longer there.
They marched around major roads in Benin City amidst heavy security presence to ensure that the protest was peaceful, and took their protest letter to the Edo State Government House, where the State Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu addressed them.
Another challenge, another challenge, another challenge, it's now double challenge.
I salute you guys for the courage, and I joined on behalf of the state governor and government of Edo State. We join you to say democracy must go with freedom of speech.
In solidarity with the young protesting Nigerians, Philip Shaibu, after addressing them, joined in the protest to demand for good governance.
What these protesters want is for Nigeria to practice true democracy that will improve the standard of the living as well as the security of its people. Here's Inarume.